And as you get this screwed down tighter, you're going to have to adjust it like that, so it's centered in the middle. And I just got to give it just a little bit of a tighten, not much. Now we're going to turn this back on. Get it up to speed. And we'll take you over to the salt machine. And now you see flow okay, and the red light has stopped blinking. So that is all you have to do if you have a red flashing light on your Pool Pilot salt machine. And now it's back functioning normally. It's good to check that every once in a while as you walk by.